In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove color from images in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free and start designing right away. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and open any canvas size you want. After the canvas opens, upload the image you want to edit. Go to the Upload section and upload your image from your computer, then drag it onto the canvas. Next, click on the image so it is selected. At the top of the screen, click Edit Image to open the image editing tools. In the editing panel, find the Adjust section. Reduce the saturation slider to 0 so all the colors are removed and the image becomes black and white. To make the outlines clearer, increase the contrast and slightly adjust the brightness until the image looks clean and easy to see. You can continue adjusting the settings until the image has the style you want, especially if you are creating coloring pages or black and white graphics. Once you are satisfied with the result, click Share and then Download to save the edited image.